Hi and welcome to Pro Photo Tips. I'm Daniel and today we're gonna talk about the new DJI Osmo Pocket, which has the new firmware updated, and you have a Cine-like D color, and also you have the Pro features without a phone. I took out the DJI Osmo Pocket today and I wanted to see how good it can be on photo and video, and I was amazed by the details from photos and the video. The Osmo Pocket has a CMOS sensor of 12 megapixel. It's a 1 over 2.3 inches. It can record a video 4K at 60 frames per second, and also you can get stills of 12 megapixels. The feature I like the most on the Osmo Pocket is the Panorama, which stitches together 9 photos and it gets you a great wide panorama. The battery life lasts for 140 minutes, which is enough if you film on 1080 at 30 frames per second. If you would film at 4K 60 frames per second, you would get maybe 80 minutes of footage. Now the story feature is perfect for Instagram, and you can capture some great moments and you can post them directly on Instagram. I like that it's easy to get the footage down on your iPhone and then you can upload them to Instagram or any social media, and you can have some great quality stories to tell. The slow motion is good, but it's not something which you will use every day. But you know you have that feature and it's good you have it there when you need it. Now the Osmo Pocket, I'd say it's good for professional videographers and photographers. It's a good tool to have in your baggage, but I'd say the most used it will be for the vloggers, because the mic now it's really improved the quality of audio. It's really nice. If you're not happy with the audio, you have now the tool which you can add it to the USB Type-C down at the bottom, and you can plug in any audio microphone. Hi, this is an audio test for DJI Osmo Pocket, and today is quite windy, so I want to see how is the audio from DJI Osmo Pocket doing. Because of the gimbal and 120 frames per second, I'd say it's a really good tool for B-roll filming, and you can get some great action in slow motion and you will have smooth footage to share. I will leave the link in the description for the Osmo Pocket and you can go ahead and purchase it. I'm not sponsored by DJI, but I'd say I will have it always with me because it's easy to carry. You can have it in your pocket and you can shoot whenever you want. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already. And remember, if you want great photos, keep practice. It will get better. I promise. Until next time, all the best.